Hi, my name is Ross Teverson. I'm the manager of the Jupiter Emerging and Frontier Income Trust. I've been investing in emerging markets since 1999. When I started my career, I was very much focused on Asia. I actually spent 7 years early on in my career based in Hong Kong, managing money there. And then in 2009, my coverage broadened out to not just Asia, but the rest of emerging markets. So that includes Latin America, emerging Europe, the Middle East and Africa as well. It was in 2017 that we launched the Jupiter Emerging and Frontier Income Trust. The investment trust is run as a concentrated stock picking portfolio, so we typically have around 45 holdings at any one point in time. We're taking quite long-term views on stocks, and when we're researching stocks, we spend a lot of time speaking with companies and looking to understand where there are examples of companies experiencing positive change and where that change is not yet reflected in valuations, but where there are catalysts for the market to recognise that and reward those companies at some point in the future. The portfolio is relatively low turnover, so we're looking at a level of turnover in the high 20s, and that implies that on average we're holding companies for about 3 years, but often for a lot longer. And an important point to make is that we also look to ensure that risk is quite well diversified in the portfolio. So while it's quite concentrated in terms of number of stocks, we're looking to be diversified across countries and sectors within the portfolio. On the team here at Jupiter, there are 8 of us within the emerging market equities capability, and 3 of us who focus specifically on the GEM unconstrained strategy, of which the Jupiter Emerging and Frontier Income Trust is part of. Those 3 people are myself, Matthew Pigott and Colin Croft. Colin and myself have worked together for quite a long time now, for 7 years, and Matthew joined us in 2017, the year that we launched the investment trust. We believe that the investment trust is quite unique in that it offers a combination of both emerging and frontier market exposure. It offers quite a respectable level of dividend yield today, but also has the potential for significant capital growth as well. And what's more, the trust is quite different in terms of the market cap of the average company in which we're invested. So the investment trust is around about 50% invested in small caps, and that is very different to the emerging market index, which only has a very small representation of small cap companies within it.